Annapolis continues to remain well below normal averages, but 23% of what is for sale is over $1 million. Therefore, the shortage of affordable homes for sale for first-time and move-up buyers remains constrained. It's Friday, August 12th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the local market and what your wealth is doing there. The good news is that with Annapolis being in Anne Arundel County, you can see from this graphic that economists predict that the county real estate market will likely not experience extreme pricing adjustments. Though days on the market are more than double from earlier this year, sold prices remain just over 100% list to sold ratio. Right now, inventory is down to only 150 homes for sale. 22 homes are coming soon. No change from last week. 21 homes came to the market since last week, and this is up 40%. 17 homes went under contract, which is down 18%. 18 homes are temporarily off the market, which is 11% down. 18 homes went pending, which is up 29%. 22 homes sold in 7 days, 100.3% list to sold ratio. This is 2 days longer this week, and list to sale price is off by 0.4%. The highest sale this past week sold for $979,000 in Annapolis on Bay Head. Rental inventory rose again to 22 for lease at 29.25 and an average of 9 days. Got questions? Call me for real answers. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 12th. Until next week, be well. Cheers.